Bear? What do you think? Hey, Luna Bear, do you want to go get the mail? Should we go get the mail? All right, let's go get the mail. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Are you excited? All right, let's go. Where do we go to get the mail? Where do we go to get the mail, huh? Where do we go? Where do we go? All right, you gotta sit. You gotta sit like a good girl, Luna Bear. Come here. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Sit. Sit. Gotta take your necklace off. Good girl. Hey, sit. 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 Okay. Good girl, Luna Bears.